You might not be aware of it, but every single day, a handful of traders make a lot of money on the stock markets, even during times of economic crisis. Why don't we take a closer look as to how they do this? First, understand that trading financial assets works exactly like real estate. When prices go down, you buy, and when they go up, you sell. However, there are two different ways to bet on the stock market. You can buy stocks to resell them at a higher price later on, but in this case, it all depends on supply and demand, and the stock price could decrease even further and never get back to the price at which you bought it. A second option is to follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. This is exactly what this handful of traders are doing, earning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market with a single click of a button. To make a long story short, they play against the system. The strategy they use is very simple, yet very smart. They know that if a stock price is falling, it means that most people in the markets are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure to the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping even further down. In the same way, they know that if the stock price is rising, that most people in the markets are trying to buy it. This creates a strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make profits by betting on the price rising further up for a short period of time. This type of trading is called binary option trading, and on a few sites, traders can trade binary options in a single click from home. So, now that we're done with the theory, let's look at how this actually works in reality. The best website to use this strategy is called 24option.pro. The reason is very simple. They are the biggest binary option broker out there, with several thousands of people trading on it every single day. Moreover, it's regulated by a European Securities Commission, so it means that your funds are safe. It also has a very well-organized and user-friendly trading area that I'll show you in a few seconds. If you're a new user, you can register very easily using the form right there on the homepage, or by clicking the Open Account button. I already have an account, so I'll log in right now to show you how to trade with the strategy. Let me put my username and password in, and wait for the trading platform to load. There you go. I'm now logged in, and as you can see in the upper right corner of my screen, my current balance is $6,895. I started around 2 months ago with a $300 deposit and worked my way up since then. I think I've done pretty well, but let's try to earn a little more right now. On the left, you can see all the assets that we can trade. Notice that it's currently 6:46 p.m. and that the next expiry for all these assets is 6:55. This means that if I open a trade now, it will automatically close in about 9 minutes. I start by clicking on the first asset, which is the exchange rate for the euro and US dollar. On the right, we can see a chart with the evolution of rate during the past hour. The rate seems to go up and down with no clear trend, so let's skip this one and click on the next asset, the exchange rate for the GBP, or Great British Pound, and US dollar. We can see a small downtrend, but it's not very clear. Let's skip it too and click on the next asset, the Euro and JPY, or Japanese Yen. There you go, a nice clear upside trend. I'm going to open a high trade, thus betting on the price to go further up, and bet $100. Note that $100 is a good amount for me, as I have a few $1,000s in my account, so I'm limiting my risk to only about 2% of my account. I click on the Buy button, and the position opens and appears in the Open Trade section down there. Let's wait for the expiration of the trade. I'll accelerate the video so you don't have to wait. And I just won the option. As I thought, the price kept going up and expired above my opening rate. I won a return of $182 out of my $100 bet. My balance is now $6,977. Let's open a few more trades. Euro USD, still no trend. GBP USD, no trend. Euro JPY, the trend is still very strong, so I'll open another $100 high trade. Next one, GBP JPY, a strong uptrend too, so I'll open a high trade. USD JPY, also a strong uptrend. I'll open another high trade. USD Canadian. A little uptrend, not very strong, but let's take it too. USD CHF. No clear trend. EUR GBP. Nice uptrend. Let's take it. AUD USD. No clear trend. AUD NZD. No clear trend. NZD USD. No clear trend. AUD CHF. Again, no clear trend. AUD Canadian. Nice uptrend. AUD JPY. Uptrend too. And finally, Euro AUD. No clear trend. Okay, so I opened a total of 7 trades at $100 each. Let's wait for them to expire in approximately 8 minutes. It is now 7:05 p.m. and my trades expired. As you can see on the chart, I lost $100 on the Euro GBP and the USD Canadian, but I won all my other trades. That's a total of 5 wins for 2 losses, a total profit of $176, allowing my balance to cross $7,000. Not bad. Obviously, you won't win all the trades. Nobody can. But what matters is that in the long term, you win more trades than you lose. There are many different strategies that exist, some more or less complex and some more or less profitable. Today I showed you my simple trend following strategy that allowed me to make a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this live demonstration. Have fun trading and start making money now on 24option.pro.